So this video is about how to print a face shield. So you start with preparing your printer. So this is my printer. It's an Ender 3D or Ender 3 rather, not Ender 3D. And you need to have the SD card where you have the G code. So you need to put that SD card here on this slot. So the G code is already there. And then you have to turn on your 3D printer. There you go. And then the fan will start to turn on. Then we have to select the G code. So we can do that by pressing this. Go to print from SD. Then I have this face shield 215 degrees. Okay. So when you do that, the bed will start to heat. So it will start to heat up to 60 degrees, as you see. It's 34, then it will go up 35 slowly. And then next would be the extruder. So the bed here is this platform, this one. So you see there's still marks of the face shield there. So we will wait until that reach 60 degrees. Then it will go to next to the extruder. It will ramp up the temperature, this one, to 230 degrees. Oops, no, sorry, 225, something like that. Because the first layer of the 3D printed part will be hotter than the succeeding layers, so that it will have better adhesion on the plate. So it's currently 53 degrees, and it's a bit hot, but you know, still tolerable to touch. So there you see that part, that is the extruder. So that's the hot end where the melted filament will go. And this is our filament. It's gray, 1.5 mm in diameter. It will go here in that hole, and then go there until it go here. Yeah, now it's ramping up to 220 degrees. So now it's 207 degrees. I have to pause the video because it takes few minutes before it heat ups the end of the nozzle. So when we reach 220 degrees, the printer will start to move from this corner, and then it will go on the program direction where it should start printing the face shield. Okay, it now starts to move. There you see the filament. Okay, it's now start initially putting out some filaments so that it will be clean. So that's the first layer. Okay, so it will do that continuously. Yeah. So you see it doesn't adhere well, but that's fine because it will be covered by the next layer. I don't want to stop it because that's fine. It's a bit thick there, so yeah, we can continue the printing. You will see here that it is now trying to fill that gap slowly. So starting on this side, the printer is doing that slowly. Then it will go on the other side. Okay. Then it will slowly fill the rest of the part of the face shield.